What's Workslop, and why should leaders be worried about it?
Workslop is the AI-generated presentation that looks polished but says nothing. A study recently surveyed about 1,100 U.S. employees. What they found was that 40% said they had received Workslop from a colleague in the last month, and they estimated about 15% of all the content coming across their desk now fits this description. And cleaning it up sometimes takes as long as 2 hours. So across a large company, that's millions of dollars in lost productivity from using a tool that's supposed to increase productivity. But the part that I think is worse is that the people that receive Workslop report feeling annoyed, confused, and less willing to work with the sender. So you're not just losing time, you're actually eroding trust within your organization. Workslop isn't a technology problem. It's a deployment problem. It happens when companies hand employees a powerful tool and they don't set any expectations for how to use it. People figure out they can produce more output with AI, so they produce more output. Nobody tells them that the bar for quality should be higher now, not just the same. Nobody trains them on how to evaluate what the AI gives them. Nobody really builds in checks. So you end up with a flood of polished-looking garbage clogging up the arteries of your company. The fix is to raise the standard. The same study showed that when organizations actually train people and set clear expectations, AI can boost productivity by 25% and quality by 40%. That's a massive gain. But you only get it if you treat AI adoption as an organizational change, not a software install.